Michael Myers. We're gonna see what we got in this box right here.
Dude, you ever cut a box before?
Come on, dude. Chill, my hips hurt. What is this? Oh shit. That's what that is. Damn. Okay. This is fire. I like the blue. Got a wheel in here. Damn. It's crispy. And grips. We got cranks. Merit battle cranks. Damn, man. These are fire. Fuck yeah. Shout out Merit. Shout out to the guys over there. Thank you for the love. Now I gotta build this up. Seat in here. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Some grips and some tires.
What's in the box?
It's looking like a back wheel, I wanna say. Okay, help guard, check on the box. Smart. Oh, there's some more goodies in there. That's what they did. Damn. These are crispy. Check this out. Yeah, baby.
Is that a vegan?
It's looking like it. Got some pedals in here. 2 different colors. Got blue and black. Pegs. I mean, the whole kit, huh?
Are those vegan pegs?
Should be.
Grind and everything peg.
Brandon Began signature peg. Out here showing support for my boy Began.
Stem?
The classic. Open this up. Okay. Yeah. It's fresh. And then, you know, everyone needs a chain, some bearings.
Alright, is that it?
Yeah.
Don't forget the knife. Alright, we go build it later?
Yeah, we gotta get these parts on there.
Alright, snap your fingers and then it'll be built.